All right, welcome guys. In this video, I want to show you how I use Vinnie's trading cheat code to scalp the market. Now, I have two strategies that I use when I'm scalping the market, and I'm going to show you the first one. The first one is we're going to take a look here at NQ. Okay, um, and this is going to be based off the trend, the 1 hour trend. So, if you come to the market, let's say wake up at 6 in the morning. This is where that line is at. That's 6 in the morning. You wake up and you come here. The first thing you want to do, guys, is make sure you do a quick top-down analysis. You always want to look at the higher time frames and see what the trend is and see how the market is moving, right? You want to do that as a smart trader. So the first thing that I do, I'll make sure I'll take a look at the 4 hour and the daily to make sure where we are in the market. It's so important to know where you are in the market. So now I'm going to come to the 1 hour, and the question that I'm going to ask myself is, are we above or below the 47 moving average? That blue line right that you guys see right there is the 47 moving average. Okay, that is how I determine my directional bias. Again, that is how I determine my directional bias. So when I come to the 1 hour time frame, I see that we are above it, meaning price is bullish. That's going to be my directional bias. So that means that on a lower time frame where I take my entry, I'm only looking for buy opportunities. I'm only looking for buy opportunities. I'm going to sit in my hands and wait. I'm not looking to take any sales on a lower time frame because my directional bias is to buy the market. So now the next step, I'm going to go to my entry time frame. For me personally, I use the 15-minute for my entry time frame. So if you wake up at 6 in the morning, you see that there was no buy opportunities yet, not until we had a cheat code buy signal at 6:45 a.m. Okay, so at 6:45 a.m., again, you would have waited until you got a confirmation buy here, and then you would have entered into the market. Okay, that would have been your entry, this confirmation buy right here. Or your second entry could have been on the MACD. The MACD gave you a confirmed that price was ready to go in that direction, and that is so key. That's one thing you want to look for, is making sure that price is ready to go in that direction. So we already had some bullish movement here. Of course, you could have took an early entry because you're trading with the trend, and we're not worried about the 47 moving average on the 15-minute because the 1 hour rules the 15-minute, the 5-minute, all the way down. Okay, so 1 hour is a directional bias, and we're only looking for buy signals on our entry time frame. So we got a confirmation buy here that happened at 8:30. We had a MACD buy signal at 8:45. Okay, so any of those entries would have been cool, and then price shot up. Then price pulled back. We had another opportunity for a buy. Okay, we got a cheat code buy signal at 12:30 p.m. And then right after that was our confirmation buy at 12:45. So 12:45, we could have entered into the market and rolled the market all the way back up. Okay, so that is how you use that strategy if there's no bread and butter. Now I'm going to show you a bread and butter strategy here for those who are new. Okay, so the reason why I call it bread and butter is because this setup happens every single day for gold and indices in the market every day. Okay, so right now we're back on a 1 hour time frame, and on the scanner is giving us a buy signal on the 1 hour time frame. So let's go to gold. Okay, so we see on gold that obviously the trend is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because we're below the 47 moving average now. Okay, price has closed below the 47 moving average, indicating price is bearish. So you have this blue line is what I call a high probability spike. Okay, that lets me know that price is going to pull back. Okay, price is going to pull back. Now, obviously we see that price is still extremely bearish. We have the MACD that is solid red histogram. So now if we wanted to get in on this trade, we have to go to our entry time frame, which is a 15-minute, right? So we got our signal, and then we go to our entry time frame. what are we looking for on our entry time frame? Well, we're either looking for a confirmation buy to pop up, or like we have here, we have the MACD that gave us a buy signal. So we could have entered on this MACD buy signal. Okay, and where's going to be our first target? Our first target is going to be this H4 resistance right here, where this gray line is at. Okay, we're going to look to target and take our TP at that resistance area. Okay, because remember, this is a pullback trade. We don't want to stay in this trade too long, because price is bearish. Okay, we're below the 47 moving average. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is a scalp, so you're not going to be in this trade long. Remember that when you're trading pullback trades, okay, that you're going against the trend, you're not going to be in this trade long. Your goal is to get in, get your money, and get out. Okay, this is what we call a bread and butter. Okay, because this happens every single day, Monday through Friday. You're going to find a bread and butter strategy. Okay, either on gold or one of the indices. So those are the two ways that I scalp the market. Okay, if there's no bread and butter, and then I'm looking for a trend trade. Okay, bread and butter is most likely going to be a pullback trade that you're going against a trend, and then you have your trend trade that you can look for on the 1 hour time frame as your directional bias. Either or is totally fine, but those are two ways that I scalp the market and I look for trades. Okay, hopefully that helped you guys. If you need to, go back and watch the video. Very, very simple, very easy to understand. If you want more tips like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.